Hello everybody. Y'all know who this is. Zeke in the kitchen again. Got on my black cap, my black shades, black shirt, like I'm Men in Black. I'm finna show y'all this cake I'm finna make. It's a simple cake. Actually, the first cake I learned how to make long time ago. As a child, as a kid. It's called butter cake. I guess called why they call it butter cake. Well, I think because you use real butter, I guess, and buttermilk. So let me tell y'all, you say you can't make a cake, you can make a damn cake. Trust me, you can make a cake. If my blind ass can make a cake, you can make a cake. So see right there, that's 2 sticks of pure butter that I had out for a little while. So that means they're room temperature. Yeah, that's what that means. So when you're baking a cake, it's best for everything to be room temperature. That's how my mom and grandma always taught me, and it always came out right. So we got 2 sticks of butter, and to this 2 sticks of butter, I'm about to add 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of sugar with these 2 sticks of butter. Y'all know 2 sticks of butter is 1 cup. If y'all don't know, so you can actually say 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna whip this up till it get good, white and fluffy. And we will be back to let you know what to do next. Bye. Alright, y'all. Alright, let's take a look at it. Let me show y'all. See the sugar and the butter? See how it's fluffy white now? Okay, when you get to that stage right there, we're about to add 4 eggs. But we're going to add 1 egg at a time. 1 egg at a time. So I'm going to put the first egg in. So, egg number 1. Okay, egg number 1. And let's beat it in there. Beat it in there. Alright, let's beat in egg number 2. Put in egg number 3. And y'all get the head. So let me put in the rest of the eggs. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. That's my 4 eggs in there. Okay. That's how it look after your 4 eggs. Okay. Now we're about to add some vanilla extract and almond extract. Almond. Let me get it correct. Let's see. Tablespoon, half a teaspoon, teaspoon. Okay. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Let me go this way because I'm right-handed. It's best for me to pour this way. Or you can just use straight vanilla. I like a little almond in mine. Okay. 1 teaspoon of that. And let's do a teaspoon of vanilla. Let me do a teaspoon and a half. Let me do it. So I'm gonna do a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract and one teaspoon of almond. And then we mix this together. Be right back. Okay, the abstract is in there. Okay, right here I have 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I got it all mixed up. And right here I have a cup of buttermilk. So I'm going to alternate, let me come back here. I'm going to alternate the milk with the flour. So I turn my mixer on. So let's see, I got a cup of flour right here. So I'm gonna alternate by doing this. I'm gonna turn my mixer on. So flour. I put about 1 cup of flour. It's a very thick batter. Now I'll put some buttermilk. So I'm gonna go back and forth like that about 3 times till it's all incorporated. Then it'll be time to bake it. Buttermilk make everything taste better. Be right back, you guys. The buttermilk. So I'm about to stop this. See, that's a very thick batter. Very thick. Okay. So we're gonna go in a bundt pan. I got my bundt pan buttered and floured. Okay. About to put it in there. I got the oven preset for preheated for 350. So we're about to do it. All right. Alright, y'all, I got it in my bundt pan. We're about to put this in the oven for about 65 to 70 minutes. So an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. Let me open up my oven. It's getting hot. All right. Let me go back here. All right. Put it right there in the center. And it's going in. Bye-bye. See you in a few hours. Oh, just took it out the oven. There we go. All right. Gonna take it and put it on the cooling rack for 10 minutes and let it cool. We're gonna make a syrup that go on top of it, which will be some butter, some sugar, vanilla extract, almond extract, and a little water. All right, let's let it cool for a while. And here go my cake. Here go my cake. I put some wax paper or parchment paper right there. Now, let's flip this baby. Now this cake better not make me shame. All right, butter cake, don't make me shame. Let me put it on here like this. Put it over. Still warm. For to show y'all how to make the butter glaze to go on it. Okay, let's flip it. All right, come on. Tap it, tap it, tap it. Tap it, tap it, tap it. Let's see, come on, come on. Get this out of here, come on. Come on, baby, 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 come on. There we go. Voila! See, I smell that butter in there. It smells good. You know, I made this cake so many times before. To me, it's a plain cake. There you go. You put that butter and that flour in that cake pan, it's gonna come out every time. I guarantee you. All right, let's go make the glaze. I have 1 stick of butter, which is a half a cup, and 1 cup of sugar. I'm about to melt this in the microwave. Then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water to it. All right, let me melt this. There you go, y'all. With butter, sugar, water, vanilla extract, and almond extract. what we're about to do is we're about to punch some holes in the cake. With this here. So let's put some holes right there. Let me do this here. I'm not gonna cut this one. I made a sample cake. I got a sample over there. A little sample that we're gonna taste. Just punching holes around it. Okay, I got holes punched out in it. Take the syrup. Gotta put them all around here. Take it and soak in the holes. Then I'm gonna take my I'm gonna take my thing and I'm gonna brush. Time for the taste test. There goes the butter cake with the glaze on it. But we not cutting that one. We're cutting the replica. Look at it. I made a replica of the small one. There we go. I got me some milk poured. I done took off that apron. Yeah, I done took off that apron. I took off these shades so y'all can see my gorgeous eyes. All right, got me a knife right here. Let me cut my cake. Cut the sample. Oh, it's moist. That's why I like making bundt cakes. You can just mix everything up. Pour it in the pan. Ooh, look at it, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look how moist that is. Man. Let me tell you something. You see that Land of Lakes, whatever her name is, Land of Lakes butter? Bam. There's nothing to play with. No, American. I want to cry right now. This is my grandma cake. This is Gertrude Boannie Johnson cake. Tastes just like my grandma cake, and I made it. No, American. Yeah, let me go before I start tearing up and crying. All right, make out one. Don't say you can't make no cake now. I can show you how to make a butter cake. It's simple. Bye, y'all.